So good morning, welcome in my channel. So आज का the topic है how to install R and R Studio. So first search R in Google. So this is the official website of R, www.r/project.org. So just click on it. So there are left side download. This is another option. You can choose to these two options. This is download R or this is CRAN. So I click here. Next. So there are different kind of server. So this is you can choose any of the server by your choice. So I am choosing I am choosing USC. Yes, USC. What is happening? So this is the next page is coming. So download and install R. So this is the next there are three options. So download R for Linux, download R for Mac OS X, download R for Windows. Obviously this is the Windows website. I will click for download Windows. So there are next page will come next. So this is the base and this is the install R for first time. So you can click these two things. So base or install R for first time. So I am using install R for first time. So next page is coming. So download R 3.6.2 for Windows and 83 megabytes. So just and this is 34/64. So I'm clicking here. So if you have any other OS, then you can download. So I am just down. So this is the downloading. So next I will show you how to install. Next I will show how to install R Studio. So obviously click R STUD. Just search it on Google. Just a minute. So some website is coming. Okay. Just a minute. So this is the we type R Studio in Google. So this is the official website of the R. So you just go to the rstudio.com or you can go to the download R Studio. So I'm just going to the main website of rstudio.com and this is the official website of the R Studio. So there is something is there. So you first there is a download, there is a product. If you click download or product and not matter, we click here download. So download so we click here download. So this is right hand download R Studio. So this is R Studio desktop, this is R Studio desktop commercial license, this is R Studio server, R Studio server Pro. So we need the free version. So R Studio is a integrated development environment for R. So just click here download. So there are the things. So download R Studio for Windows. You can click here or OS, Windows, Mac, Ubuntu. Some OS you can click here. So this is the MB is showing 149 MB. So I just click here. So just we download the how do we download? Just we download the R Studio. Just save and go to file and just install it. So this is simple. Install procedure is very simple. Just click. So you have to first install the R and next R Studio. So just simple install procedure is very simple. Just click on R. So I clicked on R and there is something is showing. So So you have to click yes. So next proceed, you have to just click OK. So you have to choose the setup English. So another license here next. This you have to just click next. This is very simple for the art procedure. Actually, I have already installed my art. So this is next R Studio procedure. I am showing you how to install R Studio. So after installing R Studio, you have to click the after installing the R, you have to click the R Studio. So this install procedure is very simple. So this is verifying installer. So they have to just click next. It will take 5. So I will cancel because I already have installed the R Studio. So I will show you. This is the R. So this is the console, R console. So this is the arrow key and this is the R console. I will show you the new script. Right to 45. Just enter, click enter, just right click run. So you have four. This is the 47. This thing is changing on the console. So this is working. Right. So I don't see. So next I will show you the R Studio. So I am closing the R Studio. Closing करने की कोई जरूरत भी नहीं है. So just go. So R M N O P R Studio M N O P Q R. So what is the R Studio? This is the R Studio. Just click on R Studio. So I will describe the R Studio in details. I am showing you how to. So R Studio I have clicked it. Actually this will take time. R Studio. So just wait. So this is R Studio is opening. It will take 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay. I am not editing the video. This is original video. So R Studio is opening. Something is coming. Our file edit code view to session. So this is working. R Studio is installing. So R Studio का मैं next video भी लेकर आऊँगा. So try it. So R Studio is open. So just type here. This is the 4 windows there. I will. So I will show you later. So this thing is working. So this is the console and this is the first window file and this is the environment history connection and the right side left down window. This is the file plot packages are other things. So this R Studio is working properly. If you write here 2 star 456 and I just right click on and click and run. So this thing is working. So you are seeing that change in the, you can see the change is the console. So this thing is working. I will show you later. So thanks for watching.